G'day, I'm Rob Walsh. I've been a metal tradie and home renovator for over 20 years. I've come across this really clever product, Quick Patch. Let me show you how easy it is to use. So first things first, remove it from the UV protecting case. You cut it to size, remove the plastic backing, iron out all the creases with your fingers. 5 minutes of UV light, it's set, cured, ready to go. Quick Patch applications are endless. Here's some examples of what it can do. The cure is really hard and tough. You can sand it and paint it. Cure is tough and it's easy to use. And for those places that aren't exposed to direct sunlight, there's this cheap UV torch. Wave it back and forward, job done. So whether you're a tradie or a weekend warrior, there's only one must to have in your toolbox: Quick Patch.